Sí. Bueno, mi amor. Yes.
Can you get 120?
Joe Jones, Zachary Kirby. Just stand behind them, one, please, sir.
Morning. I'm Judge All. Would you state your full legal name, please, sir?
Zachary Adam Murphy,
Okay. So you know what this is all about right now?
the failure to appear.
No. You have a warrant for your arrest, unlawful restraint, of less than 17-year-old of age, which is a state jail felony.
So did I not miss court?
You can ask questions here later when we get through. I don't know if you missed court or not, but you had a warrant issued by the district court, unlawful restraint of less than 17, person less than 17 years of age, which is a state jail felony. You have any hearing problems?
Sir,
Okay. Okay, here are your rights. You have the right to an attorney, have him or her present prior to and during any interview or questioning by peace officers or attorneys representing the state. You may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your attorney if you desire. You understand this? If you cannot afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney to be present prior to and during any interview or questioning by peace officers or attorneys representing the state. Do you request the state provides you with an attorney? No. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statements you make can and may be used against you in court. You have the right to stop any interview or questioning at any time. You have the right to an examining trial. Your bond is set at $30,000. Now, do you have any questions I might be able to? That's okay. Your signature here is just signing that we went over this form. It's not any sort of plea. Here.
No, sir, not there.
That's to your left. Okay, now there are bond conditions. If you should bond out or you're released for any reason, you have bond conditions. That means you have to abide by these or you'll be rearrested and put back in jail if you violate this. And this is for unlawful restraint of a person less than 17 years of age. Committed on about the 20th day of December 2024. Okay, here are the conditions. You'll get a copy. Your victim will get a copy. And the school, if they attend a school, will get a copy. And if they work, work will get a copy. So anybody can call in on you to violate. The defendant shall report to Archer County Community Supervisor and Corrections Department by 9 a.m. the next business day after being released. That means if you release tomorrow, you release 3 months from now, you have to report there by 9 a.m. the next business day. As directed by the Archer County, you shall pay a monthly bond fee of $60. Defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state or any state of the United States or any other country. Defendant shall notify the Archer County Court of County Supervision and Corrections Department to leave unless given written permission. Basically, you cannot leave the county. Any and all out-of-state travel is forbidden unless approved. Defendant shall not reside outside the state of Texas unless approved by the Archer County probation, basically. Defendant shall surrender his or her passport. Do you have a passport? No, sir. Defendant shall notify the Archer County probation of any change in employment, address, telephone within 48 hours of change. Defendant shall permit the Archer County probation officer to visit his or her home and conduct search of said home or person for contraband, including but not limited to weapons and or illegal drugs. Defendant shall not possess weapons. Weapons includes knives. Defendant shall abstain from the use of alcohol and illegal drugs. Defendant shall submit to random urinalysis and or other testing for detection of controlled substance, drugs, and or alcohol at the request of the probation officer. Defendant shall have no violations of said test and be responsible for all costs. Defendant shall have no contact with the alleged victim, Alana Melton, in any form, including but not limited to written, personal, phone, text, Facebook, or any social media or network, or any other contact through third parties, so you can't tell your buddy to talk to her. Defendant shall not pass by her house, residence, school, areas of recreation, or place of employment. All addresses listed on the 24-1867A bond conditions listed in the Justice of the Peace, Precinct 1, Archer City, Texas. Judge Joel presiding, Exhibit A attached here. 2. That was a book of bond conditions I set forth first time you were arrested. Basically states, defendant shall abstain from the use of alcohol, illegal drugs, shall commit no offense against the laws of the state or any state of the United States or any other country. If arrested, the defendant shall notify the Archer County Attorney's Office within 48 hours of being released. Defendant shall not possess any weapons. Defendant shall have no contact in any form, including not limited to written, in person, phone, text, or through other social media contact or any contact with third parties. Defendant shall not pass or be within 300 feet of residence, school, area of recreation, and or place of employment of the following individuals: Alana Melton, white female, 3/6/2008, juvenile, driver's license 5003527. Location, you cannot be within 300 feet of, which are the instance. 2807 Roanoke, Wichita Falls, Texas. 605 Fillmore Street, Wichita Falls, Texas. 3509 Jupiter Lane, Wichita Falls, Texas. Premier High School, 2201 Kemp Boulevard, Wichita Falls, Texas. Bronx, apparently that's where she works. 2304 Kemp, Wichita. 3906 Tallville Road, Wichita. 4711 South Parkway, Wichita. 1004 South Red River Expressway in Berkeley. You signed this on the 24th of December. Yeah.
That's just Jen. Thank you, sir.
That is 414. Okay, you'll get a copy of all of this when you release, and you'll get a copy of the registration warning this morning. So they're gonna put you back in there for now, and when I leave, they'll let you out to make the phone calls.
I got one question.
Okay?
So my on probation, can I get out?
In that you cannot violate any of this. And you
So-
have to report to probation officer if they annex you,
So, yeah,
pretty much.
One second, you'll get your phone calls on the judge, okay? Would you like the law officer? Okay, thank you very much.